let's take a look at my actual implementation of this. It's relatively simple. In Python, I just made a little script here. It starts by loading the libraries. This is the scientific model. This is the smallest one that is available to use. This has been trained on the biomedical data. So this is a biomedical one related for topics related to medicine, genetics, biology. The idea is we have this processor, and then we can add additional tools onto it, such as this abbreviation resolver. This is good for, oftentimes in scientific papers, they'll use a long name for a disease or a chemical, and then give the abbreviation right after, and then use that abbreviation throughout the paper. This is a add-on that is good for tracking that information, so it's able to put the full name and the abbreviation together as a single entity. And then this linker is the one, as I mentioned, for the UMLS, the Online Unified Medical Language. So this will take entities it finds in the raw text and link them to this online database, and then give you the ID number for that online ID or that online entity. You take that ID number, you go online, you can get all the information you want related to that entity. So the actual usage of the tool is relatively simple. As an example, I just found a random paper about bladder cancer online. This is the paper. As you can see, it has lots of complex medical terminology, numbers, scientific notation, chemical notation, all kinds of figures, different things, different complex things beyond what you would find in a regular average, newspaper article or something else that a regular language processor has been trained on. So it takes that PDF, it reads it into a string, the entire contents. I print out the first 500 characters of that string just to show it. And then it creates the entities. This is the pipeline that we saw here, where it takes the raw text, does all this, and then gives you the doc object, which contains entities, which are the important words it has found. I display the first 10, and then based upon that, I make a visual display of the relationships between the words, the part of speech. So it actually will take all of the words, entities, and show you the parts of speech they are and the relationships between them. Proper nouns, full nouns, um, etc. So this is interesting. Not as useful for research for our purposes. Here is what we're really going to look at, this HTML document. Well, it's going to be the first part of it. This HTML document is the actual, all of the words in the paper, and if they're an entity or not. So it's gone through this entire paper here from start to finish and identified the entities.